Good evening, everybody. Welcome to the Center for Creative Photography. I'm Ann Breckenridge Barrett, and I'm the director here, if I haven't met you. Hello. You're in for a treat tonight. It's going to be a wonderful evening. It's a great format. You're going to hear Becky and Mark talk about collaboration and how important it is to his artistic practice. And hopefully it'll be very interactive and you'll join in as well. But before that, which is the real fun, you have to hear from me. And I'm here to tell you that we're doing really good things here. And if you're not already a member, please consider joining. It's one of the best ways you can help support our vision and this new chapter that we're embarking on. We just took our members on their first trip to New York City, where we attended APAD, and they had behind-the-scenes studio tours with Ralph Gibson. We went to the Avedon Foundation and had a behind-the-scenes tour by their executive director, a personal tour of the show by Becky, and just a lot of great interaction and fellowship. And we'll be doing a lot more activities like that, so stay tuned. There might be one coming up soon, which I won't name, but just stay tuned. And this summer we will not be sleepy. We are opening an exhibition entitled Longer Ways to Go, which explores the relationship between photography and the iconic American highway and its folklore, including Route 66. That opens in June. And I'm very pleased to announce that we are going to be opening the Heritage Gallery, which is inspired by the legacy of our founders. And in its first iteration, it will show you iconic images from our collection, next to and juxtaposed with recent acquisitions. The purpose of the gallery is to tell the story of the Center of Creative Photography and always have a rotation in place where you can see examples of this fantastic collection. So I think that's it. Stay tuned, social media, our newsletter, become a member, and thank you for being here tonight.